beats. The last little ode to the old Astro, because today is the day that he's gonna get sold. Yeah, it's a little sad, but it has to be done. There's too many reasons.
The money in the bank account, the tax just expired. We only have street parking. There are some repairs that need to be done.
So let's do one little last tour. The goodbye Astro tour. That is it. The trusted old ottoman that has seated me for many years. Paperwork. Hier sind Küchensachen drin, Teller und cooking stovetop. Yeah, I mean, you know. Hier ist so Badzeug drin und auch Besteck hier unten drunter. But this is it, very empty. Even the paper is empty. My trusted foot pump, Whale, ist der, genau, das Waschbecken. Has served me well, it still works well. Down here there's actually the propane tank now. Here's the grey water. Very easy system, but works very well. My insulated water bottle, water jug. And yeah, this is the bedding area. All the clothing store, those are just some extra cushions. That light that comes with it, it's not pretty, but it works very well. And some little string lights. Let's get in there. Those are all the window covers. This is a very special thing that I'll show in a second. And yeah, this basically can go like this, and then I can just lean on and enjoy the view. Here's one flip-up table. Und das sind auch hoch. And this is a great spot to put a pea jug, just FYI. Another flip-up table. Schön ventiliert, alles. That's it, basically. In the front, there is the fridge. That's my baby. Really enjoyed it. Gonna miss it. Spent a lot of time working on the build and figuring out stuff and trying to figure out the best layout. This is also very practical, either if you like somewhere out there and just want to sit, but it is also used as additional bed support for two people. Aber yeah, das passt. And that's where this thing comes in handy. It has this. So this direction, I like this. Then you put this thing around there. And then it's all buttoned up, and it's basically as high as the whole bed area. It only has to hold a foot, basically. If you like want to sit on it, it's all wobbly, but it did the trick. And that's the bed. Like this. Yeah, whatever works. It worked. Sometimes it doesn't. but mostly it does. Does it hold though? Ta-da! Works well enough. Anyway, this is pretty. In case you want extra storage, that's what this is for. And you know, you can always try to make it better, but it's hard. It really is hard. There's too much like little weird stuff. And yeah, this is like the garage space. Enough for some bins and stuff. And yeah, the old Astro. Goodbye. Oh, I parked great. Nothing fancy, but all I could have wished for. Saved me a lot of gas money if I would have gotten something bigger. This is a little dusty. I actually cleaned it like a week ago. Still have this, my last little paper towel. Are you sad? Yeah, it's a little sad. But new chapters, right? I want to sit in Tandy and look outside the window. Yeah, I don't know why I'm doing this.